A question I get pretty often from both clients and students in our courses is really what's the difference between making a video and a video marketing strategy? And the short answer is sales. When you have a video marketing strategy, you're creating videos about your business with specific messages, with specific calls to action, with a specific look and feel, with intention. And that means you're putting a little care and feeding into them. And when you are creating your strategy, which is going to evolve over time and certainly evolve over the length of this course, but when you're putting down the foundation of your video marketing strategy, a couple of questions to ask straight off. What do you want to say? Who do you want to say it to? And then what do you want them to do? What action do you want them to take? And in fact, when you're creating the videos, you might want to ask those questions sort of in reverse. What action am I trying to generate from people who see this video? What message should I deliver to specifically what kinds of people, and how do I find them? So all those things come together when you're putting together your video marketing strategy. And remember, this is so people find you online when they're searching YouTube, yes. Also, you'll be creating videos that are great for your happy customers to share with their friends because they provide something of use or something of value. And it's also going to be the way that people get to meet you, if you will, before they actually meet you. A great way for people to get a feel for who you are, to get a little bit more comfortable with you, is to be able to watch a video of you talking about your thing, talking about the results that you get for your customers, the benefits that you deliver to those customers. Right? And this isn't a world that we live in anymore that works from 9 to 5 when you're there at your business ready to answer the phone and talk cheerfully to a prospect. Because people are doing their research and learning and understanding and looking whenever they want. So at 10 o'clock at night, if somebody wants to learn more about you, unless you want to go over to their house and tell them about it, the best thing to do is have a video. So we'll be covering all those things, soup to nuts, A to Z in this course. But as you get started, grab the worksheet and begin to fill in the blanks here about what it is that you want the final goal to be. What's the ultimate result here? And there's a couple of different roads there. At the end of every single video that we do, there's going to be some sort of call to action. Because the reason that most businesses fail is that they forget to ask for the sale. And we're not going to be able to ask for a sale after every video. It's poor manners. It doesn't work. But we are going to ask for some sort of action because if somebody's watched your video all the way to the end, they want a little bit more. They want to know what to do next. So it's good manners and good form to give a call to action, which might be, if you'd like some more of this, give me a call. If you'd like to learn more about this, go to our website. You can download this thing. If you'd like to see the next installment of this great video series we're doing, watch the next video. Right? So you're not asking them to buy. You're just helping them take the next step. So you're going to begin a lot of these videos with a simple selling introduction, which we're going to get to. But remember, your marketing strategy is just to deliver the message to people. Hi, I am so-and-so with this company. We deliver these great services and products to people just like you, so they get this awesome result. If you would like that result, would like to feel that way, perhaps you should give me a call and we'll see if it's a fit. There's a lot of iterations of that. It has to be your style, but basically you're letting people know what you do for who, the benefit they get, and that implies, of course, that you have the expertise to deliver on it. You also have the social proof. We do these things for these sorts of people. Your viewer's going to say, oh, they must know what they're doing because they already have people that they're doing this great thing for. So grab the strategy worksheet, do a little bit of homework, get things at least starting to clear up in your mind, and then we'll get to work.